Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Saac Software. Please subscribe my channel Saac Software to watch every video in my channel. Today's our lesson is about how to control time in your PC user and how to delete PC user. First one, we learn how to control time in your PC user. Second one, we learn how to delete PC user less than 12 seconds. Please follow these steps carefully. Go CMD, right click and choose Run Administer. Click and choose Yes. Then right here, Net User Love. Then enter. Now, as you see here, all information about this user. Username, love, full name, none, comment none, user is comment none, account active yes, now, account experience, never time, all, and password last set, password experience, password changeable, this time, password required, yes, user may change password, yes, workstation allowed, all, login script, none, user profile, none, home direct, none, last log and never. Here, look at here, login hours allowed all time. And our lessons about how to control in time user and time our user. We will begin to limit time use in user PC computer. Right here, net user and your username. Love my username, space, parameter, time, and to sign. Then Saturday minus Thursday, comma 7 o'clock AM minus 2 o'clock PM. Say enter. Sorry. Remove space. Then say enter. Now the command accumulated successful. Look at user. Right here, net user love. Now log on hours allowed. Sunday 7 o'clock AM since 12 o'clock PM. All week, and Saturday 7 o'clock since 12 o'clock PM. Now all time use in your PC user will limited. Now you don't use every time your PC user because of and time use in your user. It is limited now. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Please subscribe my channel Saac Software